Hello, the next resource that I'm going to be talking about is GoNoodle. GoNoodle is an amazing app, or it can be an app, or it can be on computers and different things like that. It is amazing for if you need students to have brain breaks, which everything I've heard since I started teaching when I was in college is that you need to make sure that kids have brain breaks because they're going to lose focus, and that's okay. But you have to be able to do something with them that's going to get them moving, get their brain thinking, and GoNoodle is definitely that. So GoNoodle has a lot of different things to offer. You can go to different channels. Most of these are videos that you can do. GoNoodle intro for students. So if you want to understand what GoNoodle is, that's a whole 3-minute, 50-second video that can teach anybody about GoNoodle. Let's see that for a second. In this video, workout, gross motor skills, different things like that.
Hello there, I'm McPufferson. Did you know baby giraffes sometimes move? Anyways, I'm here to tell you all about GoNoodle. It's made up of gobs and games and videos that get your class moving throughout the day. You know how some mornings you get to school and you're not fully awake? GoNoodle has a gazillion ways to wake you up. One of them is maximal. Stand up and move along. Come on, let's do it.
Greetings, my friends. It is I.
So as you can see, it's just a good amount of different videos that can get kids moving just so that they're not like falling asleep at school. There's different things like I use it with my class. We do Popsico, which is a different type of dance that they can do and just get themselves moving. I think this is definitely something that you could use with the younger grades. Like at my school, every grade uses it from pre-K all the way to 3rd grade, just to get people moving, because you have to have that time for kids to be able to have just a little break from teaching and do something that will get their mind moving and working just with like their body. On here you can go to Discover, which is this area. You can go to certain categories. So if you want to do something with math, your different subjects, it's amazing this way because you can go into specific things. So if I wanted to do reading practice, I could go here and it would have different videos that would go along with reading practice or being able to rhyme or different things like that. If you go to channels, that would be certain channels that have different things. So Game On, that's games. Moose Tube, that's the songs that have the moose in the background. If you want different things like this, different like focuses on people, Kids Bop, the dancing, you can go to YouTube, things like that. This is again 100% free. You could go to Plus if you wanted to, and that you would have to pay for. You could get a 30-day trial, but you can get most of the things that you'd really want in the regular one, so you would never really need to pay that. You can just do the ones that are on here. I just really like that it can go to categories, and you go mindfulness, you can do different things like sensory, school life, movement type. So like if you wanted them to have a workout, or do you want to have like brain exercise or partner up, different things like that, it would help our kids a lot to be able to get that movement so that they can stay focused. I think this could be something that could be beneficial for both teachers, students, and parents, because this is again something that you can get on your computer. If they have the ability to get it onto a screen with like a Chromecast, then their kids can do this at home. And I picked this one just because I truly believe that every student needs to have a brain break. I think they need to have the ability to take a moment to stop what they're doing, have like some free movement, free thought, and to be able to work on something other than the material. Because if you have them work for too long, they're not going to be able to stay focused. And we know that as teachers, so we need to allow them to have the brain breaks. I know at my school, we make sure we always have brain breaks. So I think that this would be a great tool for people. If you've never heard of GoNoodle, you should definitely go check it out. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.